You are a family man, so you have to do the gardening or something, helping at home, or you can start your own new business at home.
E as pessoas aqui fazem a cesta?
Siesta também?
Sim?
Sim, sim.
Dormem depois do almoço?
Yeah, siesta, yes. Sim, eu quero. Eu não faço siesta. Eu fico merda. Depois de comer, eu nido uma hora, meia hora siesta. Não tem siesta nada. Quando nós fazemos siesta, não pode fazer nem barulho. Não música, nada, nada, nada. Even eu fico zangado com minhas crianças, ele faz barulho ou something. Né? Não querem siesta. Especialmente velhos, exatamente querem siesta.
Mas o Boaventura está longe de se reformar e para ele a vida é uma aventura. Ao contrário de muitos outros jovens que emigraram, Boaventura decidiu ficar em Jua. Na ilha, todos o conhecem como Jake the Snake.
We have got many snakes here. We have got python, viper, water snake, common cobra, and the king cobra. Highly venomous snake is king cobra. King cobra can grow up to 18 to 20 feet long, nearly 7 meters. A king cobra can spit the venom up to 10 feet and can get blind if you bite. 5 to 6 minutes dead. And we may see snakes on the way because these are all mangrove trees, mangroves, and they scroll on the trees, but very rare and well camouflaged. They go up to hunt the birds and the bird nest. Now first, I'd like to tell you that where we are at the moment now, this is a canal between the two main famous rivers in Goa, River Mandovi and River Zuari. And we are in between the two rivers going to see the crocodiles. The name of this canal called Kumar Zua. This is a natural canal. Natural canal, only government dredged and made here deep because monsoon time, big mining barges goes down to this canal because this canal made to the Arabian Sea. And in Goa, we export magnesium iron ore to Japan, China, Korea, and Dubai. The Goa's main source of income, first is mining, second tourism, third is fishing, and fourth is agriculture. And these are salt water crocodiles. Crocodiles, we can see them swimming in the water, top of the banks. It depends how we see them because these crocodiles, they are in natural habitat but protected by government. Nobody allowed to hunt them. And if anybody caught for hunting the crocodile, you get prison.
So how old were you when you started the business?
At that time it was very less, yeah. It was so less that, yeah, when I go for the interview, I mean, when I go for the hotels or taxi drivers, and when I say them that I'm doing the crocodile trip, and there are crocodiles, then they first ask me, there are crocodiles in Goa. And there's this smile, and you know that, hey, not when the people start to come, no? Maybe after 1 week, I got 2 people. Only for 1 week, 2 people. Then after 15 days, maybe 2 couples. Like that. The business promote, yeah. Yeah.
But you do this the full year?
Yeah, I do only for 6 months. Now I start this end of October. I mean, I started on 21st of October, and I'm going to close on 28th or 29th of April. And only for 6 months because the chartered flights they're coming only for 6 months. They start to come end of October and finish the end of April. Yeah.
So what you do after that, the remaining 6 months?
Remaining 6 months, no work. Yeah, I'm idle. Yeah, whatever I make money, I have to spend little because I have to work for 6 months and I have to, live for 6 months. Yeah.
And your family is also involved in this business?
Yes, my family, my mother, my father, my sister, we are all like, it's like a family business. We all help each other. Yeah. My sister, they come, my sister, they come, they take the money, they do the guiding. Mother busy for cooking, and they like all like family business. Yeah.
Since my brother started a business, after a few years I have joined it to him because I didn't have a much idea about this business.
So he started it. He has invented like about because he said like we have a crocodile in this canal, so why don't we do something, you know? Because everybody goes abroad and to do their living when they go abroad, work there in abroad and all. So he decided to do by their own, my brother. So slowly I joined it because first I was doing my studies, I was doing my graduation, so I could not. It was not possible for me to help him. And then when I completed my graduation, I started to help my brother.
Eu estava mostrando com eles com 20 anos. Mas quando eu estava mostrando com eles lá, eu não tinha barco. Eu tinha assim um jardim aqui. Para mostrar jardins. Eu tinha minhas árvores que estavam aqui. Eu vou mostrar dele. Quando meu filho ficou grande, né, eu pensei em fazer um trabalho. Trabalho, assim, sabe? Aí eu trouxe um pequeno barco. Tem pequeno barco, meu filho trouxe grandes barcos, aquele barco que você tem, daí será mais um barco. A nós negociamos isso aí com vontade, não?
Now in Goa, the many people, even in my island, the many people they have got Portuguese passport. They make the Portuguese passport. A Portuguese passport you can make only when you born before liberation, before 1961. Yeah. Now it's easy to make. The fathers, mothers have to make first. Then they have to register their marriage in the Portugal. After that, we can make.
So in your case, you can take a Portuguese passport?
No, I have no interest there. I am very happy of what I have got with the Indian passport and what I am doing here. I have no interest to leave my country and go anywhere like it. I'm quite happy and I'm thanks God. I'm doing well here. Thing is that crocodile trips is something like a different trip, adventurous trip here. If you go to the coastal side, everybody is doing the same business. Dolphin, now what I'm a dolphin, everybody is doing the dolphin trips. And there is too much competition. I want to start it my own, something different here. No? And I started my own. And now the people copy my business. Now there are now there are another 2 boats come new. They copy my business now. I started my own business because I don't want to copy anybody's business here. And the thing is that I live on that island. And for me the source of income only this. And anything is that I love animals. That's the main thing, yeah. How is here? He's there, he's there. He's still there, not gone. He's there. This is a bigger size crocodile we have got here in this canal. Nearly 4 meters long. I will take the boat slowly closer, but not very closer. It's dangerous. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, massive croc. Moving.
Yes, of course, I like this kind of stuff. I love it. I really enjoy it. My boyfriend's parents was 2 years ago there in Goa, and to say that the nature here is amazing. You must come and see yourself. And the people is very friendly and warm. And then I came here and decided I wanted to come here and see myself what kind of nature is here. See the culture, different culture.
I feel, this Julia is very quiet place, like no much disturbance, and we are away from this industrial streets and all, so no much pollutions and all. And you feel very nice live with these greeneries and all, because if you go in the city side and all, a lot of noise, disturbance and all. I like to go to the city side, but not for a long, I go in the cities and all, my friends and all, like beach side and all, but I don't like to stay for a long. Even if I go at daytime, nighttime, definitely I come back because it's a relax I feel in my island.
And how did you get this boat? You bought it? You built it?
No, I built it. I built it means I have an architect here, and as per the architect had drawn the design here. No? It's my ideas how to build a boat, how I need a draft and breadth and length, like Yeah. And this boat is made up of wood and fiber coating. The wooden boats are strong here. This boat is 40-seater. If the 40 people go on one side, no problem. Because it's a strong boat. If a fiber boat, chances to get, yeah, because it's very light. This is a strong boat here. When I saw the crocodile, I need a strong boat. When I see the crocodile, everybody go on one side, quick. Because everybody are hurried to take the pictures. And crocodile, they move very quick. And I always tell them, please get your cameras because go in the water very quick. 40 people go one side. There's no problem, strong boat.
You never had any problem?
Never had any problem now, in more than 10 years. Yeah. No problem at all. Yeah.
Can I try?
Please, maybe.
Huh?
Please, yeah, you try.
Drive me a boat.
Yeah. It's like a car. You put a steering this side, you'll go this side. You can put this side. Now you have to put this side. Yeah?
This
Oh,
side.
yeah, all right. Yeah. How you feel? It's easy.
Life jackets are ready, correct?
Everything ready. Yeah.
I
Yes.
think I'm going like an S.
Yeah.
Like this, like this.
Yeah. This is a life jacket of Jake the Snake.
Ah, see, true. So no problem.
No problem.
My
Jake the Snake. Yeah.
All safe. All safe.
Todos os anos, no dia 26 de dezembro, sejam eles residentes, imigrantes, reformados ou não, pode-se ver a igreja apinhada de gente. É o dia da festa de Santo Estevão, o patrono da ilha.
A festa de Santo Estevão aqui é mais celebrada do que Natal. É mais grande que Natal, a gente jua.
Essa festa que está missa, olha a festa própria da Santo Estevão. É do 26 de dezembro.
Construída pelos jesuítas em 1575, a igreja foi destruída no reinado de Sambagi em 1683 e mais uma vez em 1739 pelos marathas. Ambas as vezes volta a reerguer-se e em 2009 completou 250 anos. Antes de voltar a Panjim, não podemos deixar de visitar o ponto mais alto de Jua, Dongor, como lhe chamam os residentes da ilha. É aqui que se encontram as ruínas do que antes foi um forte. Construído em 1521 pelos muçulmanos, foi mais tarde adquirido pelos portugueses. Em 1668, Dom Nunes da Cunha batiza este forte de São Francisco Xavier, o santo mais querido de todos os goleses. Daqui, facilmente nos apercebemos porque é que esta ilha tem o nome de Ilha Verde. Não há vida noturna, comida exótica ou praias a perder de vista. Mas há uma paz e um elo tão grande com a natureza que nos apetece dizer: também eu quero ser um zoencar. O sol está a desaparecer e eu acho que vou-me deixar ficar por aqui. Mas não se preocupe, eu cá estarei consigo, talvez numa outra ilha, daqui. Este programa é patrocinado por Centro Cultural Comunicar.